Inspector Rathor. I need you on the radio right now.
Please correct your accent because I do not like it.
Inspector Rathor.
Yes, this
I
is
need you on
Inspector
the radio
Rathor.
right now.
And I do not like the accent.
Sorry, Inspector Rathor. So
Okay, much
what are
better.
you doing now?
Well, I'm doing my night patrol.
Okay, carry
Yeah.
on. Good luck.
Put that ass up.
Don't you have a sister?
I want to see the picture.
There's 2 more left. Well, I'll go to the left and I think you could go around the back of the house and...
I said, let me go.
Oh, wait. Are you crying and speaking at the same time?
The FBI, freeze! In India? What the fuck did I do?
You are arrested for playing PUBG.
It's not like I've raped somebody.
I should drop the fucking weapon.
You're here because I was playing PUBG.
Drop the fucking weapon.
First you ban porn, then PUBG. I think you guys don't like names of things that starts with the letter P. I mean, porn. At this point, I don't even want to accept prize or sock or anything. I'm going to jail just for playing a game. And okay, well, this is the country that I live in, and I must abide by the rules. So take me.
No worries, you will play Gapagap in jail. Except you're the one just getting drilled.